Work as a realtor. As a good real estate agent, your primary duty is to your clients. Representing their best interests is always your number one priority. This means working diligently to find the right property for them, negotiating the best possible deal, and handling all the paperwork and details along the way. It's also important to be a knowledgeable and reliable resource for your clients. You should be able to answer any questions they have about the home buying or selling process, as well as the current market conditions. Real estate agents also have a lot of administrative duties. This includes maintaining client files, preparing contracts and closing documents, and organizing open houses and showings. In order to be a successful real estate agent, you need to be patient, personable, and have excellent communication and organizational skills. If you can provide your clients with the highest level of customer service, they're sure to recommend you to their friends and family. Realtor salaries vary greatly and mostly depend on experience and where you live. The average realtor salary is $52,000. However, in some markets, the average salary can be as high as $100,000. The job satisfaction for realtors is usually very high. Realtors generally like the independence that the job provides and the opportunity to help people. Despite the high job satisfaction, the job can be very demanding. Realtors often work long hours, and they are responsible for their own marketing and advertising. How to become a realtor. There are some requirements to become a realtor. First, you must be 18 years old. You must also complete a real estate course and pass a state licensing exam.